Okay, so greetings fams, it's Spike and welcome to my channel. This time I will be reviewing / discussing the most impactful anime from 2016. Just looking back at this anime and thinking about it gives me chills. Actually, there are only few animes that really hit hard. I was emotionally shaken after watching this anime, and the name of this anime is Re:Zero. Okay, so Re:Zero is a Japanese light novel series written by Tapei Nagatsuki. My thoughts on this title is that Re stands for collective words like revive, reincarnate, rebirth, reborn, and etc. As our protagonist Subaru has a power that brings him back from the dead. And Zero probably stands for his starting again and again from scratch / zero. It's just my thought on this title, that's all. Nevertheless, I have only one word for the isekai anime, and that is it's perfect. Okay, so let's start by giving a brief synopsis about this anime. It's about our protagonist Subaru, a young man lives in his normal life in modern Japan. However, he is summoned to another world without knowing the person or the reason he is being summoned for. Things become even worse for him when he was attacked by a bunch of thugs and he was saved by a mysterious silver-haired girl. Subaru cooperates with her in return. After managing some clues with her, Subaru and the girl were attacked and were killed by someone. Subaru then re-awakens in the place where he was summoned before, and he notices that he gained a power named as Return by Death, which allows him to keep all those previous memories. Okay, Return of Death can be explained as he is revived sometime prior to that event. And basically throughout this anime, Subaru makes different timelines which includes different character interaction and development. And he plans out everything to avoid his death as well as to save his friends during his timelines. When Subaru first arrived in this place, he thought himself to be an overpowered character and he can beat the shit out of anyone in this world, which include the sin of pride. But soon he realizes that he is useless in this world also. This anime Re:Zero has the best character development as you can relate to Subaru. He is stuck in this endless loop of dying and being revived. He starts losing his mind and he will no longer be the same person he used to be. He becomes desperate and he will do anything to escape from this loop. His lack of power continuously torments him and it breaks his spirit. Because every time he dies, he is brought back to the life just like a video game. So the question comes, is it worth watching? I would say hell yes, it is a really splendid anime. Re:Zero has the great animation, it has a great story, and the music is also good. So it does not lack in anything. So I will give a rate of 9 out of 10 to this anime. And there are only 5 animes which is as perfect as this score. Not a single episode of Re:Zero lacks any kind of content, and this anime is near perfection. Season 2 will be coming in this year and the second trailer is just launched. I will be reviewing that second trailer also, and this was a spoiler free review, but the second trailer breakdown will be all spoilers including the manga. And that's it, go and watch this anime. And if you do enjoy this video, hit that like button, and if you want more anime content, hit that subscribe button. See ya.